Good afternoon. This is Kay with Around the House with Kay and Tom. Got company coming, so I'm going to fix up a real quick salad. It's called Pistachio pineapple salad. It is really a cool salad. Nice to have with this kind of hot weather we're having down here. What you need will be a can of crushed pineapple, 1 box of instant pudding in pie filling. Now you can use something else other than pistachio, but this is really good. 1 container of Activa yogurt, some marshmallows, and Cool Whip. So what we will do to get started so quick is we'll just dump the pineapple right on in the bowl. Okay, we will now add the pudding mix, which, as I said, I've got pistachio. Well, think about it, you can make this today and use this flavor, and tomorrow use another flavor. Makes a pretty dish. Let's just blend this together a little bit. Should have done this on St. Patrick's Day. You need a can of your yogurt, a container. Stir that all together. And your marshmallow. I guess you can hear my clock going off every hour. I think I'm just going to use the whole bag of marshmallows. It's just 10 ounces because I don't have anything else I'm getting ready to cook with marshmallows. And I have guests that will be here all week. So we'll get this right here all stirred up. This is really a quick salad, and I have got it mixed together, and I noticed that my battery had gone dead, so I hope that I got most of it, but let me just run through it one time. It is a can of crushed pineapple, pistachio instant pie filling, pudding in pie filling, a container of Activa yogurt, mini marshmallows, and Cool Whip. And you mix it all together and you come out with this beautiful color. And like I say, I hope my battery did not go dead before y'all saw me add this stuff together, because I put the pineapple in here, then I put the pudding and pie filling in here, stirred it together, added my yogurt, stirred that in here, added the marshmallows, stirred them in there, and then put the Cool Whip. They had Cool Whip on sale, so I got the big container, but you definitely do not need a big container. But just make sure that you get down here at the very bottom and get it stirred up good. Put it in a bowl, put it in the refrigerator, and let it chill, and you have got a cool dessert, or just something if somebody's out at the pool or somewhere and needs something cool. All done. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Short video. Makes a beautiful bowl. It's not going to last long now, I can tell you that, before you put it out for it to be served. It will really, really go quick. You could actually have some stuff on hand to make another one. You can make it real quick. Pistachio pineapple salad. Put it in the refrigerator, cover it, just saran wrap on top of it, and put it in the refrigerator till you get ready to eat, and all done. And again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Hope you subscribe to me. Give me your comments, and I will see you later. Have a good day.